Hello everybody, Mr. Nationwide here. As you can see, we're in the Classic Car Show in Grill 57. Yeah, over in Garner. So they always have this on the third Saturday of each month. So we'll just start from here. All your Mustangs. And let's see, probably a 73 Corvette. And you got a Dodge Challenger RT. Looks nice with the paint job and everything. ZL1 Camaro, don't look too bad. Another Corvette. And some Lincoln. And I believe that's a rare GMC Cyclone. You don't see many of this, but it's one of the sport trucks they had back in the day. With turbocharged intercooled V6, all-wheel drive. Yeah, look how different it looks. It's a nice one. Let's see. Then you got, let's see, a couple old Chevys right there. This looks like either a 1969 or 1970 Chevy C10. Actually, it's 69. Look at that. Yeah, I guess this is a 1949 Chevy subtype bed pickup. And I'm guessing that's a 350 in it. Very nice. Think so. Oh, you crazy? Huh. Yeah. I see it doesn't have the original steering column.
Similar to the babosa Rosé.
Don't look too bad. And it's for sale. It's a 48 mile. Excuse me. So anyway, as for now, I'm just going to take a couple photos here and there, and probably have lunch inside the Grill 57. So I'll hit you up, folks.